Tess Chapman concluded Channel 5 News by paying a tribute to her co-star Dan Walker after he had an accident on Monday. The former BBC Breakfast host told his social media followers he was glad to be alive after getting hit by a car. After spending the afternoon in the hospital, Dan was forced to miss his usual slot on Channel 5 News, meaning Tessa had to step in. "Before we go, you may have been wondering where Dan is today," Tessa began as she addressed her co-star's absence. "Perhaps you have heard the news that he has had a bit of an accident. He is okay and has back home now. The picture I am about to show you is a bit graphic. He was knocked off his bike by a car, but he was placed in the good hands of his paramedics before going home. He has shared his thanks for the amazing treatment he has received from the NHS today. And of course, in regular Dan spirit, he is trying to keep a smile on his face. This is the best he could do. But anyway, I am all the team wish him a quick recovery and we send him our best well wishes. Get well soon, Dan," she concluded. "Good night." Dan shared a series of snaps on social media on Monday informing his followers about his accident. The first image showed Dan in the back of an ambulance with two paramedics. He penned, "Bit of an accident this morning. Glad to be alive after getting hit by a car on my bike. Face is a mess but I don't think anything is broken. Thanks to Sean and Jamie for sorting me out and the lovely copper at the scene. This is my sick, smiling. Thankful for our NHS." Another photo showed Dan at home as he thanked his colleagues and followers for their well wishes. As he tried to smile, the presenter shared, "Blown away by all the lovely messages. Thank you. Just got home from hospital. Battered and bruised but, amazingly, nothing broken. The helmet I was wearing saved my life today, so, if you're on a bike, get one on your head." He added, currently eating soup through a straw and being looked after by a gorgeous, furry, tired nurse at the end of the sofa. Sick.